kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo ìtẹ́bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí gbogbo ohun tẹ́ bá rí sí nípa ti èròǹgbà tiyín ẹ má gbàgbé o tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody ohun tẹ́ bá rí sí fọ́nrán yìí ẹ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sí abẹ́ comment section ó yẹ wò ó.
Nigerians, you people are very wicked though. Like me. So I just got off the phone with somebody. And I've actually been seeing this comment since so that we like as you didn't insult Baba Adeboye. We like as you pass your message. Somebody that is over 80. It's true me, Baba will just go to heaven. Kiloburu Baba. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you people something that you people shouldn't understand. I'm not scared of Baba. It's not Baba's age that is my problem. Àìmọye àgbàyà tó ju Baba lọ tó wà ní government wa ton kun títì. But Bible says, touch not by anointed. Do my prophet no harm. You see, gbogbo nǹkan tí ń bá ma ṣe láyé yìí. You people by now you should understand that they told me ò fi ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ṣeré. You know that me I'm a CAC pọ́nbélé. Mi ò fi májẹ̀mú ṣeré. If Baba Adeboye has said anything, even if it is worse than this, or he has even said anything wrong, ó kù wọ́n, ó kù ọjọ́ ìpè wọn, ó kù wọ́n, ó kù ọjọ́ àti sùn wọn, ó kù wọ́n, ó kù májẹ̀mú tó ń bẹ lórí wọn. But that me, I will insult a man of God because of what he said. No. So you people, ẹ ti lọ kó Baba lẹ́mi sókè. Una didn't allow Baba to farabale. Calm down, watch my video. They are giving Baba they have preempted Baba. Ọmọ yẹn burú o. Mo disappoint you. I disappointed all of you because when I listened to what Baba said and the way Baba said it and in the presence of what Baba said, Baba couldn't have said any better. Baba could not have said any better. Then people, why is it that every small thing you people say that they have settled? Me, I cannot insult Baba Adeboye. Bible says, touch not my anointed. Baba Adeboye is an anointed man of God. Any way you want to say it. So, Baba, so now, the person now said that they want me to come and see Baba. They want to arrange. Necessary. That one will not be necessary. Do you understand? You see, when I come out publicly to talk, it's not because I want to farm anybody. Daddy, me, no matter what they have told you, I know one governor that told somebody that person should run away from me. Pé at the enemy. Emma down alone. So you people actually think that me just a day tone èmi ọmọ CAC, èmi ọmọ Babalola, èmi. Daddy, then somebody was saying that when I come that they want Daddy to pray for me. Daddy, if you want to pray for me anywhere you are. But let me tell you something. Daddy, don't worry about me. Ṣẹ̀rẹ́ mi àtàwọn politicians yẹn ẹ fi wálẹ̀ wọn bí bàbá ńlá yaku ya wọn èyí tí yẹ jẹ́ òṣùgbọ́nù wọn gan wọn bí bàbá ńlá kú ya àwọn tó lóyún wọn re nothing where anybody fẹ́ take me adé tó ń dùn mo ń sọ fún yín Daddy Adeboye ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan don't panic for me Ọlọ́run ló dá mi Ọlọ́run ló pè mí ṣóyé yín ẹ gbàgbé ẹ ọmọ Babalọlá lèmi fúnra mi gan ṣóyé yín èyí tí ẹ bá fẹ́ kọjá ti ẹnu ti ẹ èyí tó bá fẹ́ lóhun fẹ́ tọ̀ èyí tó bá lóhun fẹ́ sọ pé òun governor àbọ̀hún senator àbí I'm a bad person wọ́n máa èmi gan máa oríta ìkorò látijọ́ máa pàdé ra wa wọ́n máa tẹ ojú ayé mọ́lẹ̀ báyìí ni àwọn àtàwọn ta ni Daddy don't worry you just cool down you see this country now we get am we will fix it it might not be a miracle but Daddy I guarantee you, there have been changes. Ṣé when I, nígbà tí mo bú pọ̀nrípọ̀nrí yàrá yà bàbá ńlá yaku dàpọ̀, ṣé kò lọ ra ambulance? They will do it. Ẹ má worry. It might not be easy, but that there will not be results. Ẹ má worry. Don't let them lie for you. Daddy Adeboye, ẹ ṣe báyìí. Me, do like this. You can be praying for me anywhere you are. Do you understand, sir? No problem. But ẹ má worry nípa èmi pẹ̀lú wọn. Ṣó ti yé yín? Wọ́n bí wọ́n ré. Mẹ́tàlá wọn gbogbo nǹkan tán fi ṣagbára they no born them well ṣé mi náà wá jẹ́ran rírọ̀ ni ṣé mo dàbí mo jọ ẹwà tán rò tó fọ́ bí gbẹ̀gìrì lójú yín ni ẹ wò mí dáadáa sà ẹ fojú inú wò mí sà ẹ wò mí dáadáa ó yẹ kẹ́ ti rí nǹkan kan náà Daddy don't worry cool down. Bàbá yẹn ò ṣe kò lẹ́ṣẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tágbàlagbà ń sọ ló sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tágbàlagbà dẹ̀ kí ṣe lágbàlagbà. Baba might not say it the way people want to hear it or by not saying anything that is pleasing to your ears. That does not mean that Baba has said anything wrong. He has not said anything wrong. He just understands. He has a perception of how things should be done. And things are not being done that way because of the situation of our country. Don't let them present me to you as a bad girl. Mi ṣọmọ burúkú o. Mi ṣọmọ burúkú o. Ọmọ tó dá ni mí o. Ọmọ tó dá gan ni mí. Ọmọ tó dá gidi ni mí. Ọ̀kan lọmọ tó fi ń tọrọ ọmọ ni mí. Thank you, Daddy Gio. Àgbà yín á dalẹ̀. Bó ti wùn kẹ́pẹ́ tó láyé ẹ̀ ní sunkún wọnú sáré o. Ẹ̀ ní sunkún wọnú sáré. Ẹ̀ ní sunkún lórí wa. Ṣó ti yé yín dádì wa. Àdúrà náà ni kẹ́ máa gbà. Orí ìtìsú ẹ̀ náà ni kẹ́ dúró sí. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ́yìn lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ kan. I have a special request, sir. Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ má bá wọn dá sí mọ́. Ṣó ti yé yín. Where you should just take the back seats. Leave Nigeria and Nigeria matters. The one that you have done is enough. Anybody to bá sọ pé what you have done so far in the lives of people in this Nigeria is not enough o. Abi you have not done well. Sir, make them go carry their papa take do GO. Then get papa for house. Gbogbo wọn yẹn. They have father at home. Kàn lọ fi daddy wọn ṣe GO. Ṣó yé yín. He has collected money. They have given him bribe. Ẹni kan daddy wọn náà lọ kí kò lọ gba títí wọn. Àwọn oníwìkúwì. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn o. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn. Èèyàn burúkú pọ̀ láàrin àwọn tá à ń jà fún. Nigerians, they don't deserve the fighting. Ọlọ́run kó ló kọ́ mọ̀rọ̀ assignment tó gbélérú àwa ìlọ́wọ́ tó ṣàní ká máa pariwo ká máa jà. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ máa fún wa ṣe. Daddy Gio, ẹ má wọrí. Àgbà yín ò ní dàgbà ya òṣì. Ní tẹ́ dẹ̀ ní tójú ilẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀. Ṣó ti yé yín sà? Ẹ ṣe báyìí. Ọmọlúwàbí ni mi ṣọmọ burúkú. Don't let them use me to scare you. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán fi mí budán lójú yín. I'm not like that. But èmi náà ò easy o sà. Mi ò easy o. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ti tẹ́ bá wojú mi dáadáa ó yẹ kẹ́ ti rí mbẹ̀. Mi ò rọrùn o. Spiritually, physically, mentally, dangbana ṣókóìlì mi ò rọrùn o. I'm not easy. Ṣó yé yín daddy. Good night, sir. Stay blessed, sir. It is well with you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Ẹ bá mi kí mommy. This stage tẹ́ wà, sir. This stage that you are. Don't stress about Nigeria matter. Just be holding mommy. Press breast. Fast. Pray. Eat. Travel around. You understand? Go on vacation. The latest is vacation. You and mommy. People should go on vacation. Go to the beach. Go anywhere. Enjoy your life. Leave Nigeria matter, sir. We will deal with them.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.